Hi, this is a video of me using some plywood to build some display cabinets for my daughter's wall. Display cabinet is going to be about 10 centimeters deep and about the size of a hand. Deep enough to display something without being too complicated. Built out of some plywood using some simple angles and chipboard to hold it all together. This was my first attempt. And as you can see, I painted the ply in a nice colour to match it up with the room walls. The second attempt at building the house, when I made the second one, I used clamps and clips, and the corner clamps, I must say, were an absolute work of art for doing this. Built 3 houses of the same size. You can see they're reasonably sturdy, pinned in with nails at the back and a nice little clip to hold them onto the wall. First one slightly off square, second and third ones much more sturdy and detailed. Be careful of the wood if it's got any warping in, you'll soon find your angles don't add up. As for what to paint it in, just go down to your local DIY store, get some easy drying wood paint, slap it all on. Do remember to check the colour. If you paint a very light colour on dark wood, it will look slightly different. As you can see here, painting is pretty simple. You slap it on, you're probably going to have to do 2 coats. Be careful of a drip. As you can see, a couple of drips there, but if you tidy them up, keep turning it around, it's all fine. I like to use cardboard on top of my workbench, purely because I like to keep my workbench looking a little tidy at the end. I use a lot of spray paint for various miniatures as well, and you always need the cardboard for that. Actually gives you a lovely set of colour tones at the end. Now for fitting them onto the wall, I just used this simple little crocodile clip which was held in with some nails, or actually I think it was some 2 very small screws. As you can see, getting it into the chipboard, not easy in any way at all. Ended up just using a quick brad nail to make a small hole, get the screw started, and then in it went. The nice thing about these is they give you the ability to slightly alter the horizontal style, and depending on the weight, so you can get it really easily in. Now this is the wall where they're going. Bonus points and comments below if you can guess my daughter's name. Normal house wall, pretty solid, nice and easy. Just trying to work out the spaces and the heights for them. Of course, remember, wherever you mark to put them, the nail that you need to hang them on needs to be slightly lower. Getting them so they were in the wall at a right height was the trick here, and of course way above little hands for grabbing. Nice little handy spirit level you can stick inside meant I could just adjust them beautifully to get them flat. Got that spirit level in a Christmas cracker, I think. Always hang on to those. And there you go, with some items in it. Now it looks like she's got some nice homemade storage. Best still, she can say Daddy made that. And yes, you have to display artwork of your children. Hope this gave you some ideas. See you soon.